Hi, this is Eli Rosen with Sunshine Renewable Solutions. I'm with a customer of ours, Jason Stember. How are you?
Doing great, Eli.
All right. How would you describe your experience with Sunshine Renewable Solutions?
So when I contacted Sunshine, I had been contacted by a couple other companies who offered to do solar on my house. I contacted Sunshine because I had been contacted by other companies looking to do solar in the area. I wanted to make sure I'd done my due diligence to get all the necessary information I needed to make the right decision for solar. And I really chose Sunshine because they were the ones that made me feel comfortable, and their sales associates were relaxed, very chill. They were there to answer my questions, not push me into making a decision to purchase their system. And that's what caused me to make the decision to go with Sunshine, was just how relaxed everybody was and how they were just there to answer my questions and not trying to force me into making a decision for such an expensive purchase.
Awesome. Would you recommend us to friends and family?
Actually, I already have. I've recommended to a number of my friends and family that you guys have done a great job on my house. I have one of my neighbors who saw you guys starting to put it in. He came over and asked me a million questions about the process, and I told him what I knew, and I handed him one of y'all's cards. My neighbor next door here, he's looking to get into solar, and I've passed your name on to him. So I mean, I recommend you guys to everybody I talk to who's interested into solar.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear that. Was there anything that we did that really stood out to you guys?
After you guys finished installing, I was able to talk with Matt, and he helped put my mind at ease with some questions I had that I didn't even think to talk about with the sales associate. And it was just such a wonderful experience that he had some basic information for me that I didn't have to go reach out to anybody else. He could just answer my question right there.
Thank you. And is there anything that we could do to improve and be better in the future?
Uh, Not that I can think of at this time. I mean, the only thing I wish was that solar was cheaper, but I understand right now we've got a lot of things going on with supply chain, so that makes it a little hard. I'm just excited to see the return on my investment.
All right. Well, I cannot wait for you to see that as well. Thank you so much, Jason.